Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I am here again with the new update because everyone is asking in comment that is the results are out for all the ICs or for all the branches. Okay, and I am not able to reply for all the comments because the comments are lots of comments are in every video. Okay, so I have to tell you all that results are not out for all the branches and not out for all the ICs. I will also give you the percentage that how many percentage total people get their results and till which date we can expect our results. Okay, so just wait but before this now the results are declaring on by their ICs. Okay, not by the branches, by their ICs. Okay, so till now only three ICs are declared their results, so I will also tell you their ICs name. Okay, and for before this I want to tell you that everyone is asking that what is IC and how I can check my IC. Okay, so to know your IC is an independent company. Okay, because L&T is a very big company. Okay, and L&T has a lots of ICs, independent companies or of L&T. Okay, and they are indifferent in name like L&T hydrocarbon. Okay, L&T power हो गया and L&T एनर्जी हो गया है ना. दीज आर द डिफरेंट कंपनी. सो सबसे पहले आपको चेक कैसे करना, हाउ यू कैन चेक दैट, हाउ यू कैन फाइंड योर IC. सो फर्स्ट ओपन योर शेड्यूल मेल. ओके, देन स्क्रॉल डाउन in their end of the mail you can see that this is the human resource means your HR, and here you will find the mail of your HR. Then just check the end of this, like from the in my case it is L&T MHI power. Okay, .com. Just leave the .com, just check this after at the rate, check this. Okay, and and to know what is this, just paste it into the Google. Okay, I will tell you, just a second. Okay, just paste it into the Google. That's I paste it and I get the name of complete IC, that L&T MHI power boiler PVT limited. Okay, so I will get the result from this IC. Okay, so when the result will be declared, the IC name will be this. Okay, and now I will tell you that how many ICs and for which ICs results are out. Okay, so here is the poll. You can see that around 55% people haven't get their mail, and there is also 39 people who have didn't get their mail. Okay, now for the ICs, results are out only for three ICs, for which one is hydrocarbon, energy and hydrocarbon. Okay, the second one is for construction. Okay, infrastructure, construction, transportation and construction, which transportation and infrastructure, which is come under the construction. Okay, and the third one is our power, L&T power. L&T power and MHI power is two different ICs. Okay, so if you got the mail from MHI power, then you have to wait. Okay, so this is a poll. Then I want to tell you that how many total number of people are remaining for the interview. Then check this. Okay, I posted this 2 hours ago, and till now for today no one received the mail from L&T for the results. Okay, everyone received the mail till yesterday 11:30 PM. Okay, till 11:30 बजे तक कल जिनको भी मेल आया उसके बाद अभी तक किसी को भी मेल नहीं आया रिजल्ट का. ओके, सो एवरीवन हैज़ टू जस्ट वेट फॉर द रिजल्ट बिकॉज टुडे इटसेल्फ रिजल्ट विल बी रिलीज. सो जस्ट वेट. Okay, you can see in this mail around 90% people haven't get their results. Okay, only 10% people get their mail. These are from mechanical branch, civil branch, electrical branch, some of from other branches also like civil and mining. Okay, so you have to just see all these type of details. Okay, that's why I share, because everyone is asking about it. So I hope you all will understand. If I left any question, then you can ask me in Instagram also, or you can drop in comments. I will drop my Insta into the comment box and description also. Okay, so I hope you all will understand and subscribe the channel if you want the next update about this. Okay, and please like the video. I hope you all will understand. Thank you all.